I'll do the intro this time. He's chug-lugging a beer.
No, that's
Hi,
my job.
Welcome to Great
Welcome.
Lake North. I'm Doug McKenzie. This is my brother Bob.
Yeah, real good, eh? Real
You're
good.
supposed to say, how's it going?
How's it going?
Got the power clear 721 RC this morning. We just want to get rid of some of the snow that's around this pool. It's just been sitting here for the winter. One of my customers unfortunately is selling their house. They're one of my best customers. But anyways, let's see what we can do. We'll clear a path here so when they show the house they can walk over beside the pool here and look at the property more, and then we'll put some salt down, make a nice path for them. That's about it for today, but just helping customers out, that's what we love to do. Yeah, perfect. I think that'll be enough. I'm just gonna... No, I'm just gonna... Oh, sure. Yeah. I think the door's kind of already open. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm gonna run over the driveway one here too, just... Yeah. Okay. Okay, okay. I'll talk to you finally then. So that video was just a quick one about clearing some extra snow for when the real estate agents list the house. I'm really sad to lose this customer. They were great customers for my business. They've supported me for quite a few years now. I have lots of other great customers, but these ones will be missed. Anyways, in my previous video on Thursday, I shared about sticker exchange. So yeah, if you'd like to send me one of your stickers and I'll send you one of mine. If you want to just direct message me we can set up the details. And yeah, I appreciate the support. I've been working on my invoicing, getting my contracts ready to send out to my customers for March 1st. I'll probably send them out a little bit earlier this year. It's very time-consuming work, but once you get into it, you're very happy that you got started, and it gives you just some purpose when you're not doing snow, or it gives you like some motivation to do better at business. So that's what I've been up to. Until next time, guys, stay safe and take care. Here's a preview of what's coming up next week. Anyways, I maybe got sidetracked there, but this is a yard sign that I bought like probably year 3 in the business when I had a little bit more cash flow, and I bought about 25 of them, and then I did another order, probably another 25. I shouldn't have put the Twitter logo because I'm barely on Twitter, but if I was ever to update that, I would put the Instagram logo. And if you notice here, so that I don't put more on my sign, it says thirstyslawn.ca. So if somebody notices the logo and gets used to seeing the logo, they know that it's a website. And that's what I believe you just need them to go to, is your website.